Welcome back, everyone. You may be wanting to buy some property in the, Metaverse. Now, there's a couple of different ways to do this and a couple of different applications as of right now. So there's not just one app, although, there's some popular ones. Over time, I think in the next couple of years, there's going to be more popular options. But first off, shout out to laptopmag.com for making this specific tutorial. And I'll leave this link in the description too, so you can check it out from there if you want. Now, the two big applications that you can use are Sandbox and Decentraland. Now, Sandbox seems to be the most popular one, but also Decentraland is a popular one too, so I'd recommend doing your research and figuring out which way you want to go about doing that there. Now, within the Sandbox, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to the sandbox.com/game, and you want to go ahead and click on the market option. Now, when you do that on the left panel, you want to scroll down until you see NFT type, and you want to go and click on lands. And then what you want to do is you want to choose the filter that, best describes what you're trying to look at. Are you looking for the newest, the oldest, lowest price, highest price? In this tutorial that they made, they did select the lowest price option. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and select the plot of land that you actually want to go and get, and you want to buy that specific plot of land. Now at that point, after you buy it, it's going to allow you to go straight into the OpenSea account, which is the NFT marketplace that everyone's using right now. And it's going to take you to the property listing. Now there, you can actually go ahead and purchase this specific property if you want to by clicking on the wallet icon. And then you can go ahead and either make an offer. Sometimes I think they may have buy it now. And then what you want to do is you'll basically be able to offer how much sand, which is that specific, currency that they use. And you'll basically be able to make an offer for it. Now, you can also select how long you want that offer to go for. They can go for 3 days, 7 days, or a month if you want. Or you can make a custom date as well. And you want to click make an offer. And then your MetaMask wallet will go ahead and pop up. And they're going to ask you to sign in. And then if they go and accept your offer, you can go ahead and, be notified by email. And you can go ahead and purchase that specific plot of land in the Metaverse. Now, the other way to do this is via Decentraland. So this is another Metaverse type of game. So if you want to go ahead and purchase, property or a piece of land in this specific, place, what you want to do is you want to go to decentraland.org, that website, and you want to scroll down until you see the trade option, and you want to click on start browsing. Now there it's going to tell you to sign in, and you want to go and connect. And there you want to go and click on MetaMask, and it's going to allow you to see your specific funds that you have inside of your wallet. Now at this point, you want to go and click on land, which is on the top left corner, and then you'll basically be able to see the plots of land that are available right now. Now you want to click on the plot of land that you want to go ahead and use, as well as that location if you want. And at that point, once you see the specific plot of land that you like, you can go ahead and click buy, and you can actually purchase that specific plot of land that way too. Now again, this does require you to use real money, but this is another option you have, and those are pretty much the main ways you can buy land in the Metaverse. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.